hopefully you've been harvesting lots of tomatoes in your allotment or your garden or your greenhouse. And I have had some successes and some failures. And one of the successes I've had this year are these tomatoes behind me. These are a Solano. That's Solano spelt with a C. And these are a small cherry tomato. Here we are. Let's have a look at those. They have been the most successful for me this year. But it's not only those ones that have been successful. I'm going to eat this one. Oh, they're lovely. I've got lots of other tomatoes that I've been picking and harvesting for weeks now. In fact, I've got so many, I don't really know what to do with them. I've been giving some away to friends and neighbours. And some of these I'm going to freeze to be used later on in the year in cooking for stews and casseroles and things like that. So I'm going to freeze these. I'm going to vacuum pack them, pop them in the freezer, and they'll keep for another year. But anyway, although I've had some successes and some failures, I thought that next year I might want to try and grow some different varieties. And in a previous video, I did ask if anybody had any ideas of their favourite tomatoes that I may want to try. And one of my subscribers left a comment, and that is Sharon. Sharon, thank you very much for your comment, and thank you very much for watching. And she suggested that I look online at a company called Tomato Revolution. So that's what I did. Now, I contacted the owners at Tomato Revolution, and I did ask, would they mind me mentioning their name? And they said, no problem at all. So thank you very much to the people at Tomato Revolution. And I must stress, I'm not promoting them in any way. I'm not getting free seeds or anything for mentioning them. I'm just letting you know where I went to get some of these tomato seeds. So let me tell you what I got from them. I got a dwarf variety called Great Scott, and it's a pink heart with gold stripes. And I just thought they looked fantastic. I don't know what they'll taste like, but I'll let you know next year. I also bought another dwarf variety called Eagle Smiley, and that's a yellow cherry type tomato, and again it's a dwarf plant. I bought another one which I love the name. It's Wild Spud Leaf, and it's it's a potato leafed variety, and again that's a dwarf variety. And I also bought some other tomatoes, and these were indeterminate type tomatoes, and again they had some great names. That's really what drew me to them. One is called Chupa Chups, and that is the name of the kids' lolly sweet, the Chupa Chups lolly, and my grandson likes them, so I thought I'll grow these based purely on the fact that I like the name and he likes the lollies. I've got another one, again an indeterminate variety, called Queen of the Night, and they just look fantastic with the colours on them. I got another one, and I think this is my favourite of the ones that I bought. It's called Dirty Curty. What a great name, and what a great looking tomato. And again, that's an indeterminate variety, and indeterminate meaning that they will grow quite tall. They will grow in an indeterminate way, a non-predetermined way, which means they'll probably grow 6, 7, maybe 8 foot tall. Who knows? I'll find out next season, won't I? And I also grew one, and this is the one I'm really looking forward to seeing how it turns out. It's called Accordion Cherry, and I love the shape of it, and they look like they're going to be delicious. So those are the ones that I bought from Tomato Revolution, as recommended to me by Sharon, one of my subscribers. Now, it is early to be buying tomato seeds, but if you don't get in and get them early, they may well be sold out. Whoever your supplier is, they may well be sold out by the time you come to buying them. So get in early. That's what I say, no matter what vegetable seed it is you're after. And I've kind of decided that next season, not only with tomatoes, but with most of the vegetables I'm going to be growing, I'm going to be trying wherever possible to grow new varieties I haven't tried before. And they may be successful, they may be a complete failure, but until I try, who knows? So I'm going to need to store these seeds and keep extremely patient until next spring, because we are still in August, we're still in the summer, so I've got quite a wait before I can do anything with these seeds. But I can't wait. I'm like a child at Christmas waiting to get these going, but there's no point doing anything with them at the moment. So I'm going to need to store them. So I don't know how you store your seeds, but I store my seeds in these little cases, and these will be going in this case to be kept. And this whole case, let me just show you, this whole case fits into one of these seed boxes. Now I know we all keep our seeds in different ways, but I find keeping these seeds in this case, in this box, will keep them dry, stop them from going mouldy. It'll keep them away from extremes of heat and extremes of cold, because I'll keep this indoors. So that's what I'm doing as far as tomatoes go next year. I suggest you start having a little look around for any tomato seeds, or indeed any seeds that you want to grow. Get your order in early before they run out. And if you find something that seems unusual or has a really strange name, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'm looking for varieties for next year of all types of seeds. Anyway, just a short video today. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Gang Gang. This is Gang Gang and Peanut, 2 peas in a pod. If you like what you see, please give us a big thumbs up, or click the subscribe button, and you'll be notified of any videos I make in the future. And also you may want to go and look at some of the videos I've made in the past. Anyway, until next time, as ever, take care. Bye.